what do you know? A classic long-winded spiel. Hello everybody and welcome back, and super belated Happy New Year to you guys. Took a little bit of a hiatus there from videos. Currently we're in report card season, and those wrap up in the next couple of weeks. Previously, just with Christmas break and holidays and all that, decided to take a break, but I am back for all of the whatever 5 fans I have or whatever you are. So I just wanted to give you a heads up about what we got coming up, and then finish with a bit of a goofy video I'll explain. So in the next coming weeks, I've got a lot of questions about some different things, such as boss battles and marking tests and how do you do that. So got a video coming up. Just more questions about battleboard stuff, running it, ideas. Got more on that. I just want to do a little few-minute video about class automation, about how I picked up an Amazon Echo for really cheap, and then how I went and turned that into kind of started automating different facets and parts of my classrooms. And then I've got a new guild battle featuring the super controversial bomb game where you have to defuse a bomb, which I don't really see the controversy with it. It's literally defusing, not making. But anyway, it's a lot of fun, and I'm going to be giving that a pilot tomorrow, and then I'll document, record, and share it with you guys over the next couple of weeks. So, lots in the hopper. As usual, if you have any topics that you'd like me to talk about, just comment below, and then I'll add it to kind of my list of making. I'll be able to make a little bit more videos because I'm super excited. I have another student teacher coming as of February 4th for 3 months. So, Mr. Spencer Law, not that you're watching this at all, but we're excited to have you. And hopefully you can learn a little bit more about gamification and how you can kind of change up education a little bit here. So, what I am going to do now is I'm just going to kind of tell you what I have coming up next. Every year we have kind of our grade 8 farewell. It's with the oldest kids in the school. And part of their little farewell or faux graduation is I've been making a stupid, goofy video every year for them. I didn't share last year's, a bunch of reasons, time being the biggest one. And I finally found it on my drive, and I'm going to share it with you. It is a simulated video as if teachers acted like their students and behaved in the ways that they behaved and treated each other and stuff. Kind of the goofiness that we see as teachers, kind of just mocked a little bit as a student or from a teacher perspective, which is pretty funny. Kids love it. They enjoy it. It's kind of I'm already getting questions now that we're in January. What's our video going to be this year? So got some ideas. Keep those secret for now. But anyway, here's kind of my first video of the new year. Just a bit of a goofy laugh. Nothing to do with gamification. Just a silly old video. And then we will come back with the hardcore stuff starting next week when I talk about boss battles and marking, and actually show you what it's like when I mark tests and how I do boss battles probably a little bit different than other people. And that's okay. Being different is awesome. All right, so here it is, my goofy video if we acted as teachers like our students.
Okay, Mr. D, these are the important materials for the students for tomorrow. It's really important we don't lose these, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
Hey, Mr. D, can I talk to you for a second again?
Yeah.
Do you remember the important items that I said you had to take care of yesterday?
No, I don't. What was that?
These are the important, I found these in the hallway. I
That's
actually
important?
gave these to you
Okay.
yesterday. It's really important. Take good care of these. Find a safe place for
gave
them.
them to me yesterday?
We need them. Yes, we need them for the students.
Doesn't sound like you.
for their examinations. Okay, do not lose those.
For exams?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. I feel like that's something important to do.
Amazing, Mr. Ebert.
Yeah, they're pretty cool, but can I just stop you right there? Just need to go to the bathroom, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Oh, Mr. Heber, you're back again. Let's have another look at this bottle rocket. It's really something.
Can I just say something real quick? I didn't quite finish, so I'm just gonna head back to the bathroom again, and I'll be right back, okay?
I guess so.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, you're back. You're going a little bit long. Are you sure you're okay?
I think I'm okay, but so what were we talking about
We're
again?
talking about this bottle rocket. Yeah, it's quite the thing, the process that Mr. D does to get these ready for the kids.
I'm just gonna stop you right there, real quick. I just gotta run to the bathroom.
The bathroom. You've just been to the bathroom.
But
Is it an emergency?
I would say it is. Do you want me to
Well, if it's an emergency, you better go.
Okay, I'll be right back. I promise.
2,000 years later.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. I know it's been a couple times.
Right, just a couple of details about it. The fins, they're really important. We need to make sure that you understand that.
Just a
before we're launching
second.
them. I'm not going to stop this time. It's really important we
No,
get
I need you to stop because, like, when I left, I don't remember the first thing that you said. Can you just start right from the beginning?
You know what?
You know what? Hang on. I just got to go to the bathroom. Or you know what? Sorry, no, not the bathroom. I mean, we already did that, right? I need my bottle rocket fin. Yeah, bottle rocket fins. They're in my locker. I'm just gonna go get them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. What are you doing on the ground? Aren't you supposed to be like a professional teacher or something like that? Can you get up and just teach me everything that I was gone for?
No.
Well, this is unacceptable. You know what? I'm gonna leave and go find someone to deal with you. You're very frustrating.
12 seconds later.
Bag of like 25.
Heads up!
Hey!
Sick.
Guys, guess what?
What?
I finally learned how to dab. Pretty good, right?
That's pretty cool. Hey, so when I saw that you figured out how to dab, I had this. Everyone is using these fidget spinners. They call.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're really
Never
cool.
heard of them before.
Do you want one? I have an extra one. Like,
Totally, yeah.
Yeah, they're
I
like
would love it.
$20. That's cheap. They used to be way more. This is a good deal.
Can I pass you on my phone or something?
I trust you.
Okay.
I really do.
Fidget spinner.
You're welcome. Seriously?
So what do I do with it?
You'll figure it out. It's pretty fun.
Whoa. Right.
Fun. This is ridiculous.
Here's your share for the fidget spinner.
Oh man, easy money.
I know. He's such a dork.
Oh man. Heard what they said about me. At least I have my fidget spinner.
Have you seen Ebert anywhere? I've been looking for him. Everywhere.
I haven't seen him. Have you seen? I haven't seen Hebert.
Oops.
Hebert, you in here?
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Got a Gucci belt and a belt chain. Got a Gucci belt and a belt chain. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. What? Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Okay, we've let him have his fun, but I think we need to get his phone. This is serious, okay? I'll go first.
Okay, you're right.
Your phone? Your phone? Mr. Hebert, your phone. We need your phone. You know what you need to do. The phone, come on.
Precious!
Yeah?
Yes, it was the best ever. Best.
That Weller, right?
Sick.
Cat fight!
Oh, hey, Weller.
What's up?
Oh, no.
Just
Sweet fidget spinner, Weller.
Jim, my pitch spin.
Cat fight! Yeah, I'll be right there. I'll be right there. I just gotta sharpen this pencil. Nope, not good enough. Don't want to do any work. Oh, what the? Let's try that again. Still not good enough. Oh boy.
6 hours later.
Yeah, I'll be right there. Uh-oh. Oh no, I broke it!
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, well, that was nuts and kind of weird, and I clearly am gaining a lot of weight in my belly from that pencil sharpening side angle. So maybe I'm going to go hit the gym. In the meantime, any questions or ideas that you'd like me to do, just comment below, and I'll go ahead and add to that list that I already have, because I'm happy to help share in any way, sense, shape, or form. And remember, all my books and material on my website, mrhebert.org, are now digitized and ready for a much cheaper, quicker shipping, better version than the original super expensive paper books. Oh, totally forgot. Everyone who took the time to write a review for my book, oh my God, you guys are godsends. I've never felt so proud about something I did. The reviews for my book that I just discovered on my website that I had to authorize are just unbelievable. So thank you to everyone who took the time to write a review. Anyway, I'm doing, what do you know, a classic long-winded spiel. I'm going to cut her off right there. So until next time, my friends,